Every morning, a little girl shared her food with someone no one noticed. It was a tiny bird, weak and barely able to fly. She didn't have much, but she still chose to share. Day after day, she came back to feed it. Even when she was hungry herself.
Until one day, the bird was gone.
She thought she had lost her only friend. But the next morning, something unexpected happened. It brought her a small golden coin.
Because kindness always finds its way back.